Hi there, welcome to our channel. If you want to download Telegram videos to gallery, then this video is for you. First you have to open Telegram and then you have to go that conversation where the video is and you want to download. Then here you can see I have a video in this conversation and I want to download this video to my gallery. Now simply you will find a download icon on this video. If you are using an Android device, you also can find the download button here at the top left or at the bottom right side. You just need to simply click on the download icon and it will start a download, and after a certain time it will download it, and then you have to simply tap on it and you will find the video here. And in Apple you just need to open the video here. After open the video, you will find a three dot button at the bottom top right corner, and you have to simply click on it and you will find save to photos. Simply click on it. Now if you don't give the give the access of your photos to the Telegram, then you have to allow the access. After that it will save to your gallery. For example, if I go to photos, then here it is, the video is now saved in my photos, that's mean in the gallery. In Android device the process is pretty same. Now if you want to download all videos that you will receive by the persons that are connected with you on Telegram automatically on your device, then you have to do a simple settings. You just need to go to data and storage, and then here you'll find automatic media download. In mobile data you can turn on, that means all the media that you will receive will automatically downloaded when you're on your mobile data. And if you want to download all the media using Wi-Fi automatically, then you have to go using Wi-Fi and simply enable auto download media button here, and then all the media will automatically download. The media, the videos that you will receive through your Telegram account will automatically download to your device. That's how you can download Telegram videos to your gallery. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.